Hello everyone, welcome back to Budget Buying. In today's video, we're exploring the best 1600-watt fully modular power supply. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Seasonic Prime 1600-watt fully modular power supply, a premium PSU built for extreme performance, efficiency, and reliability. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or a workstation user, this one deserves attention. Let's get started. Product features: 80+ Platinum efficiency. With 80+ Platinum certification, this PSU delivers ultra-high efficiency, wasting less power as heat. That means lower electricity bills, cooler operation, and long-term savings for high-end PC users. Fully modular cable design. Only plug in the cables you need. This fully modular setup reduces clutter, improves airflow, and makes cable management simple, giving your PC a clean, professional look. Massive 1600-watt power output. Designed for extreme builds, the 1600-watt output easily handles multi-GPU setups, overclocked CPUs, and demanding workloads without breaking a sweat. 135mm fluid dynamic bearing fan. The premium 135mm FDB fan provides excellent cooling while staying whisper quiet. It's built for durability and ensures stable performance even under heavy loads. Micro-tolerance load regulation. This feature ensures incredibly stable voltage output. Your components receive clean, consistent power, improving performance and protecting sensitive hardware. Premium internal components. Seasonic uses high-quality capacitors and components, enhancing lifespan, reliability, and efficiency for users who demand long-term performance. PVC embossed cables. Durable and stylish, the PVC embossed cables not only last longer but also elevate the overall aesthetics of your PC build. Pros: exceptional energy efficiency, rock-solid power stability, ultra-quiet cooling performance, clean and flexible cable management. Ideal for high-end and professional systems. Cons: premium price point. Overkill for entry-level or mid-range PCs. Large size may not fit compact cases. Final thoughts. If you're building a no-compromise system, the Seasonic Prime 1600-watt fully modular power supply is a top-tier choice. It combines efficiency, stability, silence, and premium build quality, making it perfect for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Power your PC with confidence and performance. Check the price link in the description, and if this video helped you, like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more smart tech reviews. See you in the next one.